When I garden in the spring and summer, I use compost that I make from the following year and the following spring. And now that it is the middle of October, pretty much all those nutrients have been used up from, say, April until late September. So my soil needs a little help if I'm going to garden through the winter. I use about 8 handfuls of the garden tone, it's organic, and about 4 handfuls of the kelp meal and the Epsom salt. They basically help strengthen the leaves, and I found that it does help. There is a difference, but if you notice, the soil is a little low, especially on this side here, and it's because when you pull out your plants and crops over the summer, you're also losing a little bit of soil. I had plenty of soil left over from the summer, so I'm going to add that soil, mix it in, and we'll be ready to plant. Well, I have the option of completing re-wrapping my greenhouse first or planting first. I mean, it makes better sense to me to plant first. In this case, I'm going to be transplanting at least 50% of my starter plants, and then the rest I'll add seeds. Then I'll have to add this covering down here, and I'll bring in a few pots, cover the whole thing, and we'll be set for our endless summer / fall planting season. So that's where we are right now, guys. I'll catch you the next time. This is the Frugal Gardener. Have a great day.